If you've ever opened Firefox and seen a language you no longer need, or maybe you want to clean up your browser settings and remove an extra website language, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. It's a quick and simple process, and once you know where to look, you can remove language preferences in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into Firefox and get started. First, open the Firefox browser on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click the menu button. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. That menu gives you access to all of Firefox's main settings and features. After the menu opens, click on Settings. This will take you into Firefox's main settings page, where you can customize everything from privacy to appearance to language preferences. On the settings page, look for the Languages section and click on it. This is where Firefox keeps language-related options for both the browser interface and website language preferences. Once you're in the Languages area, scroll down until you find the section labeled Website Language. This part controls the language preferences Firefox may use when loading certain sites and choosing how content is displayed. Under Website Language, you should see the language or languages currently added. To remove one, simply click the trash icon next to the language you want to delete. Firefox will remove that language from the list right away. If you had multiple languages added, you can repeat the same step for any others you don't want to keep. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've removed the language from Firefox and cleaned up your website language preferences. If this video helped you, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.